Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Gel Filters is probably one of the most underrated tools in a creator's arsenal, offering an incredibly versatile and affordable way to transform the mood, color, and overall aesthetic of your video productions, from subtle warmth to dramatic cinematic effects, all without breaking the bank or requiring complex lighting setups. Number 5. Sakolla 16-Pack Color Correction Gel Filters. Introducing the Sakolla 16-Pack Color Correction Gel Filters. These versatile filters are designed to transform your lighting, bringing a new dimension to your creative projects. Crafted from high-transmission material, they offer lightweight durability and a steady color temperature. This ensures minimal light loss, providing consistent and vibrant results. For optimal performance, avoid attaching them directly to high-heat modeling lamps. With 8 vibrant colors, including yellow, green, blue, and red, you'll have a wide palette to choose from. Each pack provides 2 pieces of every shade, allowing for diverse creative expressions. Don't worry about scratches, these filters come with protective films on both sides. They are easy to remove, ensuring your gels are pristine and ready for immediate use. Use them for stunning lighting effects and precise color correction. They enable additive and subtractive color mixing, transforming the wavelengths of light to achieve unique visual outcomes for your photos and videos. Their applications are extensive, perfect for film, video, photo studios, and stage lighting. They can even assist children in improving reading clarity and eye movement control. What we like. This pack offers a wide spectrum of vibrant colors for diverse creative needs. Its high light transmission ensures your lighting effects are always impactful and true. If you're a content creator who loves experimenting with a broad palette and needs durable, scratch-protected filters, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Pangda 9-Pack Blue Gel Light Filters. Transform your lighting with these versatile blue gel filters. They are designed to add a creative touch or correct color balance in various settings. Crafted from high light transmission plastic, these filters are lightweight and durable. They ensure steady color temperature with minimal light loss, making them highly effective. Each sheet measures 11.7 by 8.3 inches, providing ample coverage for your lights. They come with a protective film to prevent scratches, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. These colored overlays are ideal for film, video, and photography. Use them for stage, theater, party, and DJ lighting, or with photo studio strobe flash and LED lights. Beyond lighting, they are also great for memory albums, scrapbooks, and various art projects. They can even improve clarity and eye movement control, assisting those with dyslexia. You receive a convenient pack of 9 gel light filters, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects. Please remember not to place them too close to active lights, as they may melt. What we like. This specific set provides a consistent transparent blue hue, perfect for specialized lighting or therapeutic applications. Its high light transmission material ensures clarity and effectiveness. If you're looking for a dedicated blue filter for specific mood lighting or even to aid reading for those with dyslexia, this focus pack is ideal. What people say. Number 3. 7-Color Light Gel Filter Sheets. Discover a spectrum of possibilities with these versatile gel filter sheets. This pack includes 14 pieces in 7 distinct colors, offering a wide range for your creative needs. They are expertly designed for both lighting effects and precise color correction. These filters manipulate light wavelengths, allowing for stunning visual transformations in any setting. Each sheet measures 11.7 by 8.3 inches and is covered with a protective film to prevent scratches. Crafted from high light transmission materials, they ensure steady color temperature and low light loss. Combine these filters to achieve unique and captivating lighting effects. Their lightweight design makes them easy to use and perfect for endless experimentation. Ideal for film, video, photography, and stage productions, they elevate any scene. Use them for parties, DJ lighting, Halloween LEDs, or outdoor landscapes to set the perfect mood. Please avoid attaching them to modeling lamps, as high heat can cause melting. These filters are designed for various lighting setups, but note that strobe lights are not included. What we like. This collection of 14 sheets in 7 distinct colors is specifically designed for advanced color correction and mixing. Its high light transmission ensures precise control over your lighting environment. If you're a photographer or videographer focused on achieving specific color temperatures and intricate lighting effects, this versatile set will be invaluable. What people say. No suitable positive product reviews with detailed features were found in the provided source. The provided source did not contain any content to extract points from. Number 2. Lystaii Lighting Gel Filters. Introducing the Lystaii Lighting Gel Filters. These versatile sheets are designed to elevate your visual projects and creative endeavors. They offer a simple yet powerful way to control and enhance light. Crafted from high light transmission PVC plastic, these filters are lightweight yet incredibly tough. They maintain stable color temperature with low loss, ensuring professional results every time. You can even use them as flash filters. Perfect for photo studio strobe lights, film, video, and stage productions. They are also ideal for enhancing party and DJ lighting, bringing vibrant colors to any event. These filters are a must-have for any visual artist. Beyond professional use, they're great for memory albums, scrapbooks, and various art projects. They can even assist children by reducing reading frustration and improving clarity. These filters offer diverse benefits for everyone. Easily combine multiple filters to create unique cool effects or precise color corrections. They allow for additive and subtractive color mixing, giving you full control over light transmission and absorption. Experiment and achieve your desired visual impact. Each filter comes with protective films on both sides, ensuring they arrive scratch-free. Simply peel off the films before use, and you're ready to go. This thoughtful design guarantees their pristine condition. What we like. These filters stand out with their generous 11.8 x 11.8 inch size, offering more coverage for larger light sources. Made from high-toughness PVC, they are durable and versatile for various applications, including outdoor use. If you need larger filters for floodlights, stage lighting, or even transforming outdoor holiday decorations, this set provides the perfect solution. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to select points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable selection of points. Number 1. Diffusion Gels Filter Kit. Introducing the Diffusion Gels Filter Kit. This essential tool helps you achieve perfect lighting for your photography and video projects. It comes with tough silk, tough frost, and light frost filters. These provide varying degrees of softness and precise shadow control for your shots. Each grade offers unique effects. Tough silk provides heavy to medium diffusion, while tough frost gives medium diffusion that spreads light yet maintains a subtle hot spot. You can use these gels with flash, LED, or strobe lights for film and video production. Remember, never attach them directly to the light source, as they could melt. Crafted from premium polyester film, they ensure steady color temperature and minimal light loss. You can easily cut them to fit your specific lighting needs. Each kit contains 6 sheets, measuring 15.7 by 19.6 inches. You'll receive 2 sheets each of tough silk, tough frost, and light frost for comprehensive control. What we like. This unique kit is dedicated to light diffusion, offering 3 distinct grades, tough silk, tough frost, and light frost. These gels are crafted from premium polyester film for steady color temperature and minimal light loss, allowing precise control over softness and shadows. If you're a professional looking to sculpt light, soften harsh shadows, and achieve nuanced lighting effects, this specialized diffusion kit is exactly what you need. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.